Diddy had his first court hearing today in what we call a pretrial conference. And basically, a pretrial conference is just kind of a status hearing for the judge to be updated on the status of the case and to take care of any housekeeping measures that need to be taken care of, like setting the trial date, which they did for May 5th of next year. Now, Diddy showed up wearing a tan jumpsuit just like any other defendant would be wearing, which I appreciate. That shows he's being treated like a normal defendant in a normal criminal case. The government says that their case is going to take 3 weeks to put on. Diddy says his case is going to take a week. Now, I'm wondering, what kind of witnesses are you going to call that's going to take a week? Who the hell is on your side at this point, other than your mother and your children? I guess we'll see. A couple of other interesting things from the hearing today. Judge Submarinian, which I think I'm saying that right. It's a lot to unpack in a name. But Judge Submarinian, who is the judge who's going to be hearing this case, said you're going to stay in jail until your bond is heard. Now, the bond appeal, I think, was just filed on Tuesday. And in that, Diddy's lawyer said, look, the rationale that the judge used to say he was a flight risk or a danger to the community was speculation. No shit, because that's what you do. You speculate on whether he is going to do something to harm people, witnesses, women, or you speculate as to whether he'll be a flight risk. So, okay, duh. He's also requesting an evidentiary hearing into federal prosecutor misconduct for the leaking of the Cassie tape. Now, I thought that the Cassie tape was leaked by a security guard to CNN. I don't know. What I do know is I don't see the federal government leaking shit like that. They are usually above reproach in the handling of their cases. So I don't see it. Either way, they've asked for a hearing into all of this misconduct that they want to allege on the part of the government. Another part of the allegations that they're saying the government had some misconduct on was they said it was unusual and extreme for Mr. Combs to have been detained right after his arrest, even though he's been in the spotlight for most of his life. Yeah, no, it's not. Okay, it's not. What happens is they get an indictment, they go and charge you, they pick you up, they put you in jail, and then you go to your arraignment. That's just how the fucking process works, dude. I don't know where you came from or if you've ever been in a federal court, but it's not looking like it. Another thing is that his mom and his children were in the courtroom. He blew kisses to them on the way in, probably on the way out too. But his mom has said that this amounts to a public lynching of her son because he hasn't even had the chance to defend himself. That it is extremely upsetting that he hasn't had a chance to defend himself against these lies. Ma'am, what lies? Okay. What lies again?